Hi there, welcome back. Another episode of Jana Eats, the gluten and dairy-free cooking video show. Food for all, delicious. So we are filming during the pandemic and in quarantine, and there's a lot of pantry staples that you can purchase. Please don't hoard, people. There'll be more food coming. But, and grains are great because a little bit goes a really long way, right? So I'm going to show you some things that are in my pantry and maybe they'll give you some great ideas. So this is the grain section. So I'm going to start with noodles. Here are some gluten-free, and all this is gluten-free. So here's a gluten-free rummo or rumo rice and corn-based penne. I also have, is that spaghetti? Spaghetti number 3. This is a great brand. It cooks up nicely. It's a little toothsome, but it's got really great flavor. If you're allergic to corn or rice, which some people are, wow. These are made from hearts of palm. And palmini, it's delicious. I did a bolognese and put it on this palmini. Yummy. The other, ramen. Who doesn't like ramen? Everybody likes ramen. Here's rice noodle ramen, and I've also seen this at Costco. This one is a jade pearl. Lotus Foods makes really good products. So, and I'm also showing you the packaging to help you find it in the grocery store. Grits, honey. My southern roots showing because I love grits. I also mail order from Anson Mills. Anson Mills has heirloom corn grits, and it is so good, honey child. And if I had some in my pantry, I've eaten it all, I'd show you. But Anson Mills, we'll put a link down there so you can mail order. Another great way not to go out of the house, Geechee Boy too. Geechee Boy makes great corn grits out of heirloom corn, no garbage. We'll put those links down below in this video. So now we'll move on. Standby, quinoa. And the other thing too, this is tricolor, but you can get the black, the red, or the white. Another really great thing to keep in your pantry. And the other thing about quinoa, keep in mind that you can cook it like a breakfast cereal. So it doesn't just have to be savory. You can cook this down with some coconut milk and a little coconut sugar and throw in some dates and fresh fruit and blueberries and whatever. You've got a breakfast cereal right here. So this is very versatile. You can eat it hot, you can eat it cold. Same thing with rice. Same darn thing. Again, Lundberg makes a great product. Here's the sushi rice. Go online. Check out my sushi rice salad recipe. It doesn't suck. Here is some more this Lotus Foods brand. They have a black forbidden rice. See that? It's black. This one is double colored. They also have a jade green rice. And mix up your colors because that looks really good on a plate. Lundberg wild rice. I've recently filmed a video with wild rice pilaf. Again, cook it up, leave it in the fridge. Same with all this. Cook a pot of rice. And rice, all these grains, rice and quinoa can go into meatballs. Then you got a meal in a ball. You know me and meal in a ball. I love this Three Ladies brand brown jasmine rice. Jasmine and basmati rice add a whole new flavor profile to your foods. It's got almost a floral sort of taste and essence to it. I got a big ass bag of jasmine rice. Hey y'all. And again, they don't go bad. You don't have to keep it refrigerated. And I also found this groovy little product. It's called Right Rice, but it's not made from rice. It's made from lentils and garbanzo beans and pea flour. So And this is a flavor. This is really cool. You can just cook this up, and they come flavored. This one's garlic herb. Oh my gosh. Now, if you find these at Costco, do you see this? You pay attention. These hash browns are so damn good. All you do, and there's just potato in here. So you fill the line, you open them up, you fill it with boiling water to the top, and they reconstitute. They make the crispest hash brown. You can use this as a crust for something too. These are delicious. So you can cook them up, brown them, make a crust, and then pour eggs over the top and do a quiche crust with these. Or just make hash browns with them. This is so delicious. So I hope I gave you a couple ideas about making food and buying things to store in your pantry that are shelf stable during this trying time. Above all, stay healthy, stay well, stay home, and I'll see you next time. Jana Eats, the gluten and dairy-free YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I love it. I'll see you next time with another Pantry Staple episode.